Hello, Bond Travelers. I am Rohit and I welcome you all to the mini Switzerland, Khajiar. So, when we say it is a Switzerland of Himachal Pradesh, we are not exaggerating the things because even the Swiss authorities acknowledge this and they have taken a stone from here as a gift, symboling India Switzerland friendship, and they acknowledged this as Switzerland of Himachal Pradesh.
Khajiar got its name on Khaji Nag Temple. It is a 12th century temple dedicated to a serpent god, Khaji Nag. The temple is in Rajputana architecture. The arches and the pillars are of Rajputana style. The structure of the temple is made of wood and it is definitely Nagra style of temple architecture.
One of the legends says that this place was in possession of a sage, but Khaji Nag, a serpent god, got the possession after defeating the sage in a game called Sarpasa. After that defeat, the sage has to leave the place for Khaji Nag. While departing, the sage said Kha or Ji, that means eat and live in Hindi. So from that, Khaji Nag got its name, and from Khaji Nag, this place got its name as Khajiar. Khajiar is approximately 20 to 25 kilometers from nearest town Chamba and Dalhousie. When you will enter Khajiar, you will enter from here and you have parking lots all the way from here to, you can see these are all parking lots and you can see the vehicles there. This is morning time, so the vehicles are less. Then this road goes up here and then it come to this hotel Devdar. So you can park all around it and you can see this is these are dhabas and some hotels, and behind it this is Khaji Nag temple, and you can see a PWD guest house there with Chalo Chamba, a tourism campaign sign from Himachal Tourism. There you will find a forest guest house. We have lake here, and then you will find a cottage that is from Himachal Tourism Department. You can book that cottage as well. You can have nature tracks in these Devdar jungles. There is a Kala Top Wildlife Sanctuary, and you can also have paragliding, zorbing, like adventure activities. You can do a lot of things. You can go to nearby villages and see the life of Himachal. You can go to Chamba, you can go to Dalhousie nearby. It is only 20 to 25 kilometers from here. And you can also have a view of Mount Kailash. If you are a religious kind of person, you can have a view of Mount Kailash from here. I would say this is the paradise for all the camping lovers. You can see the lush green meadows, you can camp here, you can have a picnic, you can play around. This is definitely a place to visit and to stay for at least 1 or 2 nights so that you can explore the beauty of Khajiar. Most of the tour planners and tour companies offer just a day visit to Khajiar, but I would say this is a must stay place. You should stay for at least 1 night, and when you stay, you should take care of the hotel view because it is very significant. If you stay in the northern side of the lake, you will find many of the hotels from where you have a balcony view of Pir Panjal range, and that is magnificent to watch. Thank you for watching. We will keep posting videos like this because life is a journey and we all are born travelers.